This 2023 East to West Della Terra 271BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new East to West is 34 feet 4 inches in length and features one slide-out, a silver birch interior, sleeps 10, refrigerator, oven, awning, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, air conditioning, microwave, slide-out, smoke detector, stove top burner, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 East to West Della Terra 271BH is 7,187 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.